Hello everyone, and welcome to today's new video. This is going to be, as the video implies, I had created for myself today something brand new that I never had before in my life, and I never thought I would ever have it. But seeing as the growth and the success of this channel of mine to change the world is constantly growing every single day and manifesting itself, I wanted to create a Patreon on behalf of each and every one of you. For those of you who should decide at the expense and at the free will of your own consciousness, your own independence, should you decide that you want to every single day, or however much you want and whatever dollar amount that you want, or however much you want to do to donate on behalf of this channel. And everything is going towards strictly for future videos, the creation of future videos, of future travels, and being able to raise awareness, helping the local animal shelters, the homeless shelters, and so forth. Ooh. So through your contributions, you would be able to help me to greater manifest to helping the homeless shelters, animal shelters, and to paying it forward and bestowing that act of kindness upon others, and to being able to do future projects, mainly for travel expenses and that nature, charity, raising awareness of many different topics, above all for helping others. And by your contributions, your donations, you are able to help me to change the world, and together we are able to change the world. This Patreon is on behalf of you guys, and I will be linking my channel into the description below, and also I will be adding my Patreon link to every single videos from this day forward into my description. So whenever you want to donate, and whatever X amount of dollars or whatever currency that you, wherever you live in the world, that you want to contribute towards our manifestation, then you are more than welcome and free to do so. And whatever support that I can get on behalf of this channel and of myself and by helping me, helping you, the viewers, and yourselves. And I am immensely and deeply grateful because of it. And this is reaching one step closer towards the future, and every single day is a brand new awakening, ultimately. And by helping me, like I said, you're helping yourselves. And the link of my Patreon, the name of it, where you can find me, is patreon.com/Cody Gremlin Official. So thank you so much, everyone. My name is Cody Gremlin. Please like, share, favorite, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Hit that bell for notifications for all of my videos that I upload. I'm uploading videos essentially every single day as much as possible. And thank you, everyone, so much. I'm creating this Patreon page so you can show your unconditional love, your support, your divine friendships, your sacred divine energy, and just everything for who you are. And let's change the world. And through this, you're applying your actions into words, and your words into actions. Basically, your words into actions. Sorry. You know, this week, the Mercury retrograde and everything, it's been affecting my mind so much. But anyway, yeah. So, see ya.